Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and many much more beautiful collection of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in Pixi in short hair. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas: step, undercut, the latest cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. So beautiful collection of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang. Very beautiful ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye and so beautiful collection of burgundy hair dye. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. So attractive collection of funky colors. Cute and sweet highlights. Lights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color. So attractive collection of funky colors highlights with light base color. And a beautiful collection of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Beautiful ideas of naturally wave and curls, and some collection make curl with color. So stylish ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. Messy hairstyle. Much more latest ideas of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very charming, and you look so sweet. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next video. Take care and bye bye.